Hey guys, welcome back to Social Net. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your online banking account on Bank of East Asia. If you have already registered for online banking account, then now you can log into your account using the login credentials that you have set while registering for your account. The process to log into your online banking account is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. By the completion of the login process, you can have access to your financial transactions, account histories and details from anywhere and anytime online. So in order to get started, all you have to do is go to any browser on your desktop. Then on the search bar, search for hkbea.com. And once you land onto an interface like this, go to the login to Cyberbanking and select the service. By doing this, you'll be taken to the login page of Bank of East Asia in a separate tab. But before you get started with the login process, there are a few things that you need to keep in your mind. You cannot log into your online banking account if you haven't registered for it at the first place. And by the completion of the registration process, you'll be provided with a username and a set of password that you can log into your account with. So go to account number or username text field and enter your account number or username associated to your account. Then enter your cyberbanking pin. And in case if you have forgotten your cyberbanking pin, then you can just go and tap onto forget cyberbanking pin and reset your password. Similarly, you can also log in using the QR code. And once you're done entering your login credentials, you can just go and tap onto the next option here. By tapping on it, you'll have successfully logged into your online banking account on Bank of East Asia. So with all this information, I think you can log into your online banking account in no time. And this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.